Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to properly use the ultra-portable chest X-ray in the community. This is the suitcase of the ultra-portable chest X-ray. Place the suitcase on a stable platform. Make sure that the correct side of the case is facing upwards. Carefully open the case. Unload the contents of each side of the case accordingly. Unload the tripod first, followed by the rest of the contents on a dust-free surface. First, set up the tripod and extend the legs. Install the holder to the tripod. Attach the X-Air to the holder. The X-Air can be rotated for flexibility. The X-Air has a built-in battery, but you may also attach an AC adapter to the X-Air. After installing the X-Air, check the bubble level indicator located in the upper portion of the holder. The bubble should be at the center of the vial. This is how to remove and attach the activation switch. Setup of the X-Air and tripod is completed. Attach the battery pack to the panel. You can charge the second battery in this charging station for later use. This is the panel. Attach the holder to a second tripod. Install the panel to the second tripod. Make sure to fix the flat panel sensor at 90 degrees perpendicular to the ground. After installing the panel, check the bubble level indicator located on the side of the holder. The bubble should be at the center of the vial. This is to check if the panel is in the same horizontal plane. Make sure to lock the panel to prevent it from falling. Set up the second tripod 100 centimeters away from the X-Air. Use a tape measure to measure 100 centimeters from the front of the panel to the front tip of the X-Air lens. Setup of the X-Air and panel is completed. The panel and X-Air should face each other at the specified angle and distance. Set up Consolve Advance on the laptop. Connect the image receiver to the laptop. Attach the receiver to the back of the laptop. Assemble the router. Connect the AC adapter to the router. Install an X-ray signage in an area that is visible to the clients prior to the procedure. Enter the client's necessary information such as the name, birthday, and sex on the information input screen. Select the exposure region and press the green button to complete the exposure preparation. The client must remove all metals around their chest area, such as necklaces and bras with metal clasps. The client must make sure to tie up their shoulder-length hair to avoid obstructing the image capture. The client must press their chest against the panel and lightly rest their chin on the side of the panel. The client must place the back of their hands on their hips and bring their elbows forward. The client may also place their hands around the panel. Turn on the X-Air. Turn on the LED collimator. Use the collimator tab to adjust the radiation field size to the panel. Check the position of X-ray incidence. Perform vertical adjustment if necessary to adjust the height of the panel and the X-Air. Check the FPD on the console. Make sure the green lamp is lit to signify that it is ready. Remove the activation switch from the X-Air main unit. With the activation switch pressed halfway, direct the client to take a deep breath and hold it. Press the activation switch fully to make an exposure. After exposure, direct the client to breathe normally. Return the activation switch to the X-Air main unit. Confirm that the entire lung field is included in the image. Confirm that there is no blurring of the image. To finish exposure, click the green lit Complete button. Send the image to the CAD4 tablet for TB reading. This is an example of a reading of a person with tuberculosis. Exposure is completed. Call in the next client. After the study is finished, turn off the X-Air. Press and hold the off button. Turn off the console by clicking the shutdown icon. After removing the panel from the tripod, turn off the panel by removing the battery pack. Put the components back in the suitcase. When laying down the suitcase, make sure that this side up is on the upper side. When followed carefully, these simple instructions will allow you to properly and effectively use the ultra-portable chest X-ray in the community.